Okay, so the title of this video does promise a lot, but you really can learn how to say everything in Russian. Not every possible thing you might say, maybe, but that one word, everything. Всё. It's a simple word. Listen carefully to how that first sound is f. The v devoices before the voiceless s. If you need a refresher on devoicing, you can click here. Some examples. Всё было понятно. Всё нормально. Всё будет здесь. Notice how we have было in the past tense and будет in the future. So всё kind of behaves like a neuter singular noun. In fact, всё really is just the neuter form of весь, a really useful little word that can express ideas like all the, or entire, or whole. We'll talk about other ways to use весь in another video, but when we use this neuter form without a noun, it's the equivalent of English everything. Like most modifiers in Russian, it does change for case, so we'll want to be sure to use the correct case form of всё, and that will depend on its function in the sentence. Там будет всё. Всё is the basic nominative form for the subject of the sentence. Он боится всего. Бояться generally takes the genitive complement, so we use the genitive всего. Я привык ко всему. К governs the dative case, so we have всему. Она знает всё. This form, всё, is accusative for direct objects as well as nominative. Она довольна всем. Доволен is used with the instrumental всем. Я думал обо всем. Here we're using the prepositional case form всем. It's worth noticing that some prepositions will add an о before the consonant cluster at the beginning of these forms. Изо всего, ко всему. And the preposition о becomes обо всем. Summing up, всё, used without a noun, means everything. Be sure to pronounce that first sound not as a v, but as a voiceless f, всё. It does change for case, and всё is actually the neuter singular form of the word весь, which we'll talk about more in other videos.